Hello everyone. Hello tribe. Warm welcome back. Yaje here, and I'm harvesting my white velvet okra. I thought I should share with you in case you have never seen how these look like. It's my first time cultivating this particular variety. It is so beautiful. It is known as the white velvet okra. I have not been keeping up with harvesting, I am sorry to say, but I need to be harvesting these more frequently. I got the seeds from trueloveseeds.com. I'm going to put the link in case you want to grow some of these, vegetables that look a little different. These are not your regular okras. You're not going to walk into an HEB or Walmart or Kroger and find white velvet okra. So you want to grow something that is a little different. I am going to recommend that you grow the white velvet okra. Let me show you how it looks like. Tribe, this is what is referred to as white velvet okra. This is my first time growing this, and I've been doing a terrible job keeping up with harvesting. White velvet okra looks like so. It's actually white. These ones are too tough already. I should have harvested this sooner. See, it's too tough. This is not edible anymore. Oh my God, see how white it is? This is the white velvet okra. I did not harvest on time, and it's already too hard. Oh God. Let's see. They're all too tough. What did I do? This is such a waste. Let's see. Okay. This one is better. So this is white velvet okra, in case you have never seen one before. I have 3 of the white velvet okra plants growing over here, the corner right there, 3 plants, and it's been producing a lot of okra, but sadly enough I've not been keeping up with harvesting. A bunch of them are already too strong, too tough. Let me say it that way. It's too tough to eat, so that is a waste. But here's how the okra looks like. Beautiful flowers, and it has that white color. Let's take a look. Those ones are too tough. I'm going to harvest some today, and when I harvest I try to prune my handy dandy pruners. So let's harvest some and I will show you how it looks like. I'm going to highly recommend you get yourself pruners like this one. I'm going to put a link. And when harvesting okra, because it can get itchy, that's why I like to wear a shirt in the garden. You make sure you have some sleeves on, that way you don't get that allergic reaction. It's not long enough, but we'll take it. I'm going to prune the leaves as I harvest. So this is how I'm pruning the okra. I'm removing some of the excess leaves, and I remove a leaf like this one. We already have a side shoot forming here, and this one is pretty much useless. So I'm gonna get that one out of the way. And if I find that that leaf is supporting a fruit, like this one right here, this one, this leaf is supporting this fruit, I'm going to leave it until I have harvested the fruit. Like I harvested this one, then I will trim the leaf. So that's what I am doing. It makes the okra plant look better, and it ensures that the food is going to support fruit growth and not just leaves all over the place. It makes it easier to harvest the plant as well. Here's our harvest. This is the white velvet okra. See how white it is? And then this is your regular green okra. Note the differences. It's so beautiful. Again, I'm going to put links of where you can get the seeds in the description box in case you want to try growing the white velvet okra. Until next time, guys. Bye.